Hey, this is Candy. Welcome to my channel, to Sheeshmomlife, and this is a beginner gardening. My last video, I talked about the avocado seed. I can link it on top. Don't judge me. The second one is gonna be for, what is it? This one is for the tomatoes. So let's go ahead and do the tomatoes. Place 2 to 3 seeds per starter. Sorry, I was just reading the back. Well, next we're gonna do tomatoes. And let's fill this pot with soil. Sheesh. I'm telling you, yesterday it was so freaking sunny. Today it's been windy. I probably need one of those water, not like this, and not just pour it in like that, because it doesn't go down. Again, I'm sorry, like, I'm literally a beginner, don't hate on me, but I was just like, frick it, let's just do it. Let's just do it, because if I don't do it, then I won't learn, and so on and so forth. But if you have any tips or anything, just let me know down below in the comments. This is 2 to 3 seeds, so did it even open? I did cut where it says to cut. What in shenanigans? Give it to me. Give it to me. Oh, look at them. They're so tiny. Okay. So I'm hoping I have that. And it says 1/4 depth. Why they don't want to come out? Okay, so I'm putting one, 2, 3. I already put 3 in there to 1/4 depth. We're gonna save the rest in case this one's a fail. We're gonna write in one of these. What's today? 5/11. 5/11. This is the first. It's not 5/11. OMG. Is 2/11. 2/11 of 2024. Okay. So there you go. This is our first attempt, so for the tomato. I hope I have it moist enough. Again, comment down below if you have any tips, but for now I think I'm done. So now we just wait, and then I'll keep you guys updated to see how it grows. But I have the tomato and the avocado. If you want to see how I did the avocado, the link is gonna be on the top for that one. So that's it, and a couple weeks or months, I'm not sure. I'll keep you guys updated. Again, freaking Texas is bipolar weather. Jesus. Benny, you wanna come say hi? You wanna come say hi? Oh, you wanna come say hi? You wanna say hi? That's gonna be tomatoes, and the other one is gonna be an avocado tree, hopefully. I don't know. I think Mama messed it up. Yeah. That's an avocado. I mean tomato. But he's gonna be my partner in crime and gardening, huh? Huh, Benny? You gonna help me? You gonna put that dust? You gonna... Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Boop, boop, boop. Let's put your paws up in there. Oh yeah. Let's put your paws up in there. Oh yeah. Alright, say bye. Say bye. Alright, let's go. We gotta go inside because it's getting cold. Alright, peace out, guys. Peace out. Hopefully.